Your trading plan is what you need to become a profitable trader. Let me explain. Some of us have a working strategy, but lack of following our trading plan always cause us not to be profitable with that strategy. So always follow your trading plans, no matter how they are. A lot of people have dropped working strategy because they lack discipline and they didn't follow their trading plan. They dropped the strategy, which the strategy is working, but they are the cause because they didn't follow their trading plan. They dropped the strategy. So when you don't follow your trading plan, it might cost you dropping a working strategy that maybe you took years learning, you took months learning. You drop it because you didn't follow your trading plan. For instance, if your trading plan is part of that, you have to target 1 to 2, and you start targeting 1 to 1 and 1 to 1 plus, there is no way you might be successful with that strategy, because when you build a strategy, you build it on 1 to 2, you backtest on 1 to, everything is on 1 to 2, and they look nice. Then you started targeting 1 to 1, 1 to 1 plus. There is no way you will be profitable enough or the way it should be with that strategy. So always follow your trading plan, so you'll be able to know whether your strategy is 100% working or not. Because when you don't follow your trading plan, you don't know whether your strategy is working or not. So always follow your trading plan, guys, to confirm if your strategy is working or not. Let's go to the chart.
This is what I'm looking at today, guys. But before I do that, let me recap what happened yesterday. And if you want me to mentor you, the link to my website is below. Go to my website and sign up for my mentorship program. But if you pay attention to what I'm teaching you here, you almost get everything that I'm going to teach you if you pay for my mentorship program. So if you don't have money, pay attention to what I'm teaching you here. You will learn whatever you pay me to learn, guys. So let me start by recapping what happened, recap what happened yesterday. When I was doing my analysis yesterday, gold were somewhere here, as is on this candle, but this candle is still on. And I told you guys that we're supposed to sell gold here, because you can see that this is a break of structure coming back to it. It's supposed to sell. But the reason why I didn't sell it here, because I met it late, and when I met it, it was somewhere here, and I don't like jumping into a trade. So I decided not to enter it. Let me see another set confirmation before I take a trade, because at the same time you can keep buying, you can never tell. So I choose to wait to see another setup if I can take the trade. So I told you guys that if gold take out this low that yesterday and come back to it, I will sell gold, and which I did. My stop was here and I sold gold. You can see that it dropped, but there is a mistake I made. I will not lie about it. My entry should be here. This is the zone I'm supposed to enter, wait for, as I put my entry on when gold took out this low yesterday. But I made a mistake and sold gold here, and my stop was somewhere here. Just a very big stop loss. I just made a mistake. And when I realized it, that this is the entry I should be looking at, it's already late. I think my trade is already negative. Yeah, it's already negative. So well, I just left it. But when gold get to here, I didn't take any trade again. I didn't enter any more position. I just left it because I've already made mistake of entering this position here. So I would have made more if I entered gold here than entering it here. But the most important thing is, at the end of the day, we still made profit. So I still make money that yesterday from this trade. So that's the most important thing. So the analysis yesterday played at 100%. I don't know if you guys took the trade or not. So today you can see that gold also took out this level yesterday, come back to it, retest and drop, and leave bearish engulfing here. and also there is a zone here. So this two zone is a zone for a sell. Is a resistance zone that we should look, we should say good, which gold came back to it yesterday night by 7 p.m. and since then it has been consolidating there, and this morning it broke it, come back to it and started selling. So this is another zone again, as I said, to sell gold. You can sell gold here if you wish now, because it's a resistance to sell gold, and your store should be at least on this shadow. Don't use this, they might come back to take out this, or if you wish you can use this, but I prefer using this. So but I know before you guys will see this video, gold might go out of this zone. So if you see this video when gold is already out of here, if gold take out this low, you can look for a sell here. This zone should be your entry point for a sell. Then target your 1 to 2. If you are selling here, make sure your stop loss is on this one. And before gold get to here, if you see another resistance somewhere here, I don't know what this gold might do before you take out this low. You can still use that zone as your entering point. If you see another one before this, so that's scenario for a sell. Go take out here, then coming back, sell gold somewhere here. It's simple, just like that. And again, if you see something like this, maybe go see drop without taking out this low, then give you like 2 candlestick, then come back and take out this, then come back, you can take a sell here and target your 1 to 2 and let your stop loss be somewhere here. That's another scenario for a sell. This is why I'm mentioning sell, because you can see that this gold is trending down, and definitely this 4 hours low or daily low, I don't know, definitely they will take out this low, because if you look at this, is a trend line liquidity. Go just broke this trend line, so this is all these ones they are taking out is a liquidity, people stop loss. It's a trend line liquidity. So I believe that they will do it with this, and maybe if they take out this low, they might revise it. So I believe that we might still see sell today, and on 2nd of January we might still see sell until they take out this low. So that's why I'm mentioning this sell, talking about. So on this 1 hour time frame, you can still look for a buy, but nobody can tell. What I'm just telling you is what I'm seeing that might happen, or it might not end up playing out. So this is what you will see to look for a buy or to buy gold. So if this gold buy and take out this high, is simple, come back retest, just buy gold and target your 1 to 2, let your stop be here. This is just only set up for a buy for gold. So you guys just pay attention. This strategy is working. It's just that maybe you guys don't want to look into it, or you guys don't believe on it, but I'll keep doing it day by day, every day, and I'll keep making money with it. And some of you still want me to send signal on my Telegram group. Why must I still send signal? Why I've already explained everything here to you, telling you where to buy, where to put your stop loss. So why can't you just pay attention and watch the market, or watch the video over and over again to understand the explanation, then watch the market until you see the pattern, you take the trade. So what signal do you expecting from me again to send to you? I've already done everything here. Well, that is it for today's analysis, guys. Let's see how it plays out. Thanks and God bless.